A fire door set is a complete set of components all compatible to resist fire for the certified amount of time. This includes the door leaf, frame, seals, hardware, and any windows. Intumescent strips should be all the way around the door or frame and will expand in heat to close any gaps. Glass must be fire rated, original to the door set, and undamaged. Door handles and locks should be tested and marked as a fire-rated product and undamaged. Kick plates are not a requirement, but help to protect against wear and tear on the door. The door should have a minimum of 3 hinges that are fire-rated and undamaged. Doors come in a range of different materials but must have evidence of compliance testing, such as plugs or stickers. Gaps between the door and frame should be no less than 2 mm and no more than 4 mm. The door should be free from obstruction so that the self-closer will automatically close the door into the frame.